Welcome back, guys. So here is the solution for our create a simple drawing app. So you guys can dive into this challenge and complete it by this way. Just we have learned through these click events for L button down and event mouse move and event button L button up. So if you see here how we do that, we just draw a circle with this function here and with this function as well here. So this is the basically core code where we are managing all this. So here we are drawing the circle with this canvas, and this was radius with xy points which we are passing through here, and also here the radius is defined here for 3 4 whatever you can define as per your need. And color here is by default I select a red color here and -1, and here this is the same event. Basically this will be the when you will button down, press on it, then the circle will be the open. Here when you event mouse move, then this and the pressed is equal to true, then it will draw a circle here. And in the L button up event, it will make the default state of the pressed event over here. Another thing here, when we are key capturing event here, the where we were quitting it here in break in else case, if the odd is equal to b, this is for 64-bit machines. For others you just can write the ch here only and no need for that. And here if you press b, then the circle color will change to the blue, and when press G, the circle color will be the change to the green. So this is all the assignment. Just we are in the 10 start folder, and we will execute our code how it is running. If we see here, this is the default, and this is the color. Okay, so now if I press the B and then see at its color will be the change. Here is the blue. And when I press the G, just I press the G, so if you check here, the color is changed. So here I use the 3 colors. There was assignment for only just for 2 colors, and press Q to exit from this. So thank you guys for this assignment. I'll be back with next module.